Good morning, my dear students. In this video, I would like to discuss the topic disaster management. We have been discussing this chapter in the last classes in the previous sessions. Now we will be discussing cyclones and mitigation measures. First of all, take a look at the term cyclones. What are cyclones? Cyclones are large revolving whirlwinds in the atmosphere that can cause very strong winds, heavy rainfall, and high storm tides. We need to understand some of the mitigation measures. Cyclones and mitigation measures. Cyclones cannot be prevented, but its effects can be reduced. The cyclone mitigation measures include installation of early warning systems, developing communication infrastructures, developing shelter belts, developing community cyclone shelters, construction of permanent houses, training and education, land use control, and settlement planning. We will discuss these points one by one. Installation of early warning systems. Installation of early warning system must be installed along the coastlines, and it can be beneficial in forecasting cyclones as well as helping in early evacuation of people. Communication plays a vital role in cyclone disaster mitigation, and yet this is one of the first services that gets disrupted during cyclones. Amateur radio has today emerged as a second-line unconventional communications systems and is an important tool for disaster. Developing shelter belts. Shelter belts with plantations of trees can act as effective wind and tide breakers. They protect soil crops from being damaged and also prevent soil erosion. Developing community cyclone shelters. Cyclone shelters at strategic locations can help minimizing the loss of human life. In the normal course, these shelters can be used as public utility buildings. Construction of permanent houses. There is a need to build appropriately designed concrete houses that can withstand high winds and tidal waves. Training and education. Public awareness programs that inform the population about their response to cyclone warnings and preparedness can go a long way in reducing casualties. Land use control and settlement planning. No residential and industrial units should be ideally permitted in the coastal belt of 5 kilometers from the sea, as it is the most vulnerable belt. No further growth of settlements in this region should be allowed. Major settlements and other important establishments should be located beyond 10 kilometers from the sea. These are some of the mitigation measures that we can take with regard to cyclones. Thank you very much.